XRP is on the move. Ripple just scored a huge win in court and the charts are looking incredibly bullish. Could this be the catalyst that sends XRP to $4? Let's dive in. All right, let's start with this exciting article from Cointelegraph. As you can see here, the headline reads, XRP price eyes 60% gain ahead of Gary Gensler's SEC exit. This is massive news, folks. XRP broke out of a bullish continuation pattern following Ripple's court win to seal documents in the SEC case. XRP looks poised to rise 60% in the coming days after breaking out of its prevailing symmetrical triangle pattern. The upside outlook aligns with a series of developments in Ripple's ongoing legal battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. 60% gains? That would be absolutely incredible. And it's all thanks to this bullish breakout and the positive developments in the SEC case. Things are finally looking up for XRP. XRP price eyes $4 in the next couple of days. Symmetrical triangles are considered bullish continuation patterns when the price breaks above their upper trend lines with a rise in trading volumes. So that appears to be the case with XRP, which on January 11th entered the breakout stage of its triangle pattern. Let's take a look at this chart. As you can see, XRP has been forming this symmetrical triangle pattern for a while now, and it just broke out to the upside. This is a classic technical analysis pattern that often signals a big move is coming. A symmetrical triangle breakout target is determined by adding the pattern's maximum height to the breakout point. Applying this same rule in XRP's chart brings its upside target to around $4. $4! That's a massive price target, and it's based on a well-established technical analysis pattern. This is getting me really excited, folks. The cryptocurrency could reach the level in the next couple of days, according to independent market analyst World of Charts. The next couple of days? This could happen fast. Folks, you don't want to miss out on this potential XRP explosion. As of January 12th, XRP was showing signs of retreating toward the triangle's lower trend line at around $2.37. A decline below this wave support risks invalidating the symmetrical triangle breakout scenario while raising the likelihood of falling toward the pattern's lower trend line. This downside target aligns with the 5012H exponential moving average, 5012 EMA, the red wave, at around $2.30. However, holding above the upper trend line will likely keep the probability of XRP reaching its $4 symmetrical triangle target high. Okay, so there's always a risk that the breakout could fail. But as long as XRP holds above this key support level, I think we're good to go. Ripple notches another small win against SEC. XRP entered its symmetrical triangle breakout stage just hours after Ripple's small victory in its ongoing legal battle versus the SEC. On Jan 11th, a federal judge approved an administrative motion to file certain documents under seal, ensuring the confidentiality of sensitive information in the ongoing legal battle. Specifically, the judge agreed to seal records containing confidential, sensitive, and personally identifiable information tied to Ripple's summary judgment motion. The ruling comes as the SEC faces a Jan 15 deadline to file its appeal opening brief, challenging key rulings in the Ripple case. Another win for Ripple. This is fantastic news, folks. The more Ripple wins in court, the more likely it is that XRP will be deemed not a security, and that would be a huge catalyst for XRP's price. Are you excited about XRP's potential? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more crypto updates. In its October notice of appeal, the SEC revealed plans to contest the summary judgment, including Judge Annalisa Torres' decision that XRP's regular sales did not meet the Howey test's criteria. This appeal has contributed to XRP's price volatility since July 2023. Despite leadership changes, with SEC Chair Gary Gensler departing on January 20 and former Commissioner Paul Atkins expected to take over, the agency appears committed to pursuing the appeal. So the SEC is still appealing the case, but with Gary Gensler leaving, there's a chance that the SEC's stance on crypto could soften. This is something to watch closely, folks. In December 2024, Gensler promoted senior crypto enforcement lawyers potentially to ensure continuity in the case. However, legal experts anticipate that Atkins could reverse the SEC's aggressive stance on crypto, fueling cautious optimism among investors. Paul favors free markets and hates overregulation, which should be a net positive for the cryptoverse, said John Reed Stark, the former chief of the SEC Office of Internet Enforcement and record was a legend and defender of the SEC. Howe said after Trump's election win in November, adding, Paul has also always believed that SEC enforcement can be too heavy-handed at times, lacks consistency, and desperately needs significant reforms. So expect reining in SEC enforcement to be a top priority for Paul. I like the sound of this Paul Atkins guy. He seems like he'll be much more crypto-friendly than Gary Gensler. This could be a game changer for the entire crypto industry. Related XRP price preps for a powerful move above $2.90. As sentiment metrics signal optimism, XRP price could reach $4 as optimism grows that incoming SEC leadership under Atkins may adopt a more favorable stance toward Ripple and crypto regulation, reducing legal uncertainties. Exactly. A more favorable regulatory environment could be the catalyst that sends XRP to the moon. Now, let's move on to this article from FX Empire. It's titled XRP News Today, SEC Appeal Looms Ripple Case Countdown. Let's see what they have to say about the SEC's appeal. Visa's Ripple appeal countdown begins this week. Could be a crucial moment in the SEC Visa's Ripple case, as the SEC must file its appeal opening brief by Wednesday, January 15th. In October 2024, the SEC filed its Notice C challenging the programmatic sales of XRP ruling. In July 2023, Judge Annalisa Torres ruled that programmatic sales of XRP did not satisfy the third prong of the Howey test. This landmark decision enabled crypto exchanges to relist XRP, increasing adoption and allowing Ripple to expand its U.S. business. However, uncertainty looms over whether the SEC will file its opening brief. In a normal year, the SEC would continue with the appeal, meeting the January 15 deadline. However, Trump's presidential election victory and an anticipated SEC overhaul have raised doubts about an appeal. This is a key date to watch, folks. If the SEC files a strong appeal, it could put downward pressure on XRP's price. But if the appeal is weak, or if the SEC decides to drop it altogether, then SEC Chair Gensler will leave the agency on January 20. Markets expect Trump-nominated SEC Chair Paul Atkins to reverse course on the agency's crypto enforcement efforts. This could include withdrawing the appeal against rulings in the Ripple case. Again, we see this Paul Atkins guy being mentioned as a potential savior for crypto. I'm starting to get really optimistic about the future of XRP and the entire crypto industry. SEC closed meeting. Ripple case under discussion. On Friday, January 10th, the SEC held a closed meeting. According to the Sunshine Act notice, items for discussion included institution and settlement of injunction actions, institution and settlement of administration proceedings, resolution of litigation claims, and other matters relating to examinations and enforcement proceedings. Commissioners and counsel to the commissioners must attend the closed meetings. There is no information relating to talking points from the meeting. However, considering its proximity to the opening brief deadline, commissioners may have discussed the Ripple case. A closed meeting, eh? I wonder what they were discussing. It's possible they were talking about dropping the Ripple appeal. We'll have to wait and see. OIG. Investigation into crypto conflicts of interest within the SEC. Additionally, the commissioners could also have reviewed the findings from the Office of Inspector General's investigation into potential crypto conflicts of interest within the SEC. SEC Chair Gensler has the findings, which are not publicly available. It is unclear whether Chair Gensler shared the OIG's findings internally. The investigation centered around former SEC Director of the Division of Corporation Finance, William Hinman. In 2018, Hinman said that Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, were not securities, and the contentious issue with the speech related to Hinman's connection with the legal firm Simpson Thacher. The law firm forms part of a group promoting enterprise Ethereum. After leaving the agency, Hinman returned to Simpson Thacher. Hinman continued to meet with his former employer while working on crypto regulations. Each left. This closed Ripple case documents revealed that the SEC's ethics division warned Hinman against engaging with his former employer. During the discovery phase of the Ripple case, the SEC made at least 6 attempts to shield Hinman's speech documents under attorney-client privilege. The agency's motions highlighted the contentious nature of this investigation. However, the court rejected the SEC's motions. The SEC's case against Ripple could face intense scrutiny if the OIG investigation finds the SEC acted biasly against Ripple. In 2018, XRP was the second largest crypto by market cap before being flipped by ETH. This is juicy stuff, folks. It sounds like there could be some serious conflicts of interest within the SEC. If the OIG investigation finds that the SEC acted unfairly against Ripple, it could be a major blow to the SEC's case. XRP price trends, Ripple's legal battle dictate market sentiment. On Sunday, January 12, XRP declined by 2.81%, partly offsetting Friday's 10.5% rally and closing at $2.5845. Specifically, XRP underperformed the broader crypto market, which dipped by 0.54% to a total market cap of $3.23 trillion. XRP price trends hinge on the Ripple case. XRP could drop below $2 if the SEC files its opening brief, offering convincing arguments. The token may eventually fall to 50 cents if Ripple loses at the Second Circuit. The token may eventually fall to 50 cents if Ripple loses at the Second Circuit. Conversely, XRP could break above its 2018 record high of $3.55 if the agency withdraws its appeal. So the fate of XRP really hinges on the outcome of this SEC case. If Ripple wins, XRP could skyrocket, but if Ripple loses, XRP could plummet. This is a high-stakes game, folks. What do you think will happen with the SEC case? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to share this video with your fellow XRP enthusiasts. So, there you have it, folks. XRP is breaking out, Ripple is winning in court, and Gary Gensler is leaving the SEC. This is a recipe for a massive XRP rally. I'm incredibly bullish on XRP's future, and I think we could see some serious price action in the coming weeks and months. But remember, folks, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crypto news and analysis. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.